better start warming up our mouths. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. He can go like a cow. He can go moo. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? He can go like a bee. Mr. Brown can bzzz. He can sound like a cork.